Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check the Google account subscriptions. So if you want to check your current subscription on Google, you just need to first go to settings of your phone. In this case, I'm using an Android phone, and let's just scroll down until you find the Google options. Click on that. Okay, and after this, just click on this button, manage your Google account, and you'll head to the Google account settings on your phone. And to find the subscription, you just need to swipe this tab, swipe to the left until you find payments and subscriptions. Okay, here are the list of the apps that you might be subscribed to. So for example, for the Google Pay, you can just click on the manage payment methods if you want to set the Google Pay, and you'll head to the payments.google.com, and in here you can just choose or adjust the Google Pay. Okay, you can also see your account storage of your Google Drive. You can also manage the purchases on your Google account in here. Like this, you can track the purchase on your account, and just like that, you can just find the subscription in here. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.